Ever found yourself in a pickle, unable to decide what to whip up for a healthy meal while on a weight loss journey? Or perhaps you felt the stress of daily meal planning weighing you down? Well, allow us to share 22 meal prep ideas that not only take the strain of meal planning, but also align with your weight loss goals. 1. Start with protein-packed quinoa salad. This versatile salad provides a hearty dose of protein and fiber to keep you full and satisfied. 2. Consider a hearty veggie soup. This low-calorie option is chock full of nutrients from a variety of vegetables. 3. A classic chicken salad offers lean protein and can be made to taste with your choice of veggies and a light dressing. 4. Greek yogurt parfaits are a delightful breakfast or dessert, providing probiotics and a sweet fix without the guilt. 5. Baked tofu. Stir fry is a plant-based option that's high in protein and provides a variety of veggies. 6. A simple yet effective option is boiled eggs. They are a protein-rich snack that can easily be incorporated into any meal. 7. Savory oatmeal is a twist on a breakfast classic, adding veggies and lean protein to your morning routine. 8. Prepare a black bean and corn salad for a fiber-packed lunch option. 9. Healthy turkey chili provides a hearty, protein-rich meal that's low in fat. 10. A refreshing cucumber and tomato salad is a light option packed with hydrating veggies. 11. Baked sweet potatoes can be a versatile base for various toppings and provide a healthy carb source. 12. Consider a grilled chicken and veggie bowl for a balanced protein-packed meal. 13. A simple veggie omelette can provide a protein and nutrient boost at any time of the day. 14. Try a broccoli and cheddar quinoa bake for a comforting yet healthy dinner. 15. A classic apple and almond butter snack provides a balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. 16. A zucchini noodle spaghetti bowl offers a low-carb alternative to traditional pasta. 17. A mango and avocado salad provides a tropical twist and a healthy dose of healthy fats. 18. A lean turkey and veggie wrap is a simple portable lunch option. 19. A quinoa and veggie stir-fry provides a protein and fiber-rich meal. 20. Consider a roasted veggie and hummus bowl for a plant-based, nutrient-dense meal. 21. A berry and spinach smoothie is a refreshing and nutrient-packed option. Lastly, 22. A simple Greek salad offers a light and refreshing meal or side dish. These 22 meal prep ideas offer a diverse range of options to keep your meals interesting and aligned with your weight loss goals. From protein-packed options to fiber-rich meals, these ideas provide the nutrients your body needs to fuel your day and support your weight loss journey. They not only help with weight loss, but also make meal planning a breeze, saving you time and reducing stress around meal times. So, why not give these meal prep ideas a go and make that weight loss journey a little less daunting and a lot more delicious? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it.